All right, now we have IELTS reading part 3, and part 3 is the toughest one. The questions that we usually have in part 3, they are yes, no, not given, multiple choice questions, matching type of questions where you have to match the names with the statements and all that. So, let's see how to deal with it. The title is Dinosaurs and the Secrets They Still Hold. Dinosaurs and the secrets they still hold. They means dinosaurs. So it means the whole passage is about the dinosaurs and still the things that we don't know, untold stories, untold things about dinosaurs. And if they give you any subtitle with the title, you should read that also. The subtitle is Dinosaur expert Dr. Steve Brusatte continues to investigate the mysteries surrounding these fascinating prehistoric creatures. Now, what is the word for dinosaur? Prehistoric? Yeah, no, fascinating prehistoric creatures. So, this is how they replace. For dinosaurs, prehistoric creatures. And whatever you learn in reading, try to use in writing. Whatever you learn in listening module, try to use it in speaking. Because this is standard English. From reading, it is said good readers are good writers. Good listeners are good speakers. English they speak in the audio, that can improve your spoken English. English they write in reading module, that can improve your written English if you carefully observe and analyze the sentences, sentence structure, tenses, and all that. Okay? Okay, now after this we'll go to the questions. Questions 28 to 32. Complete the summary below. I told you completion. Summary, sentence, notes, diagram, flow chart. Whenever we have completion type of questions, questions and answers are in order. So, let's see and we find the clue word. Can you see the word China? Yes. Now go back and see where is China in the passage. Wow, it means answers are going to come from there. So sometimes we have definite clue word. Definite means they cannot replace it. Now for China, they cannot write Bhutan. I've got students in Bhutan. If you're from Bhutan, please, you got to comment. Alright, so for China, they cannot write Japan. China is China. So now we know China is there. It means answer will come right after that. So the most important target is to locate the line, sentence. First target is to locate the paragraph. Second target is to locate the sentence where there is the answer. And third target is to read and find that answer. So, no. Okay, that's a good question. They have used the word summary. Now, what is summary? Summary can be the summary of one paragraph, and sometimes in the worst scenario, that summary can be the summary of whole passage. One answer you will find in first paragraph, second answer in fourth paragraph, third answer in sixth paragraph. It depends. Okay, as you read on, you'll find it. Okay, question number 28, please. Scientists believe that it was bird-like in appearance and probably no bigger than. Look at me. Whenever they use the word no bigger than, not smaller than, it means size. Look for the word size in the passage, right? And no bigger than a dash. No bigger than a dash means another creature. As they are talking about bird-like dinosaur, and it was not bigger than a mosquito, not bigger than a. Well done. They have written here, the species would have resembled a strange bird. It was about the size of a. Now, just try to understand. Size of a sheep, no bigger than sheep. So once you do this, you are learning. Okay, this is how they play with me. Answer is sheep. Now, don't write by mistake black sheep. You will write only sheep. Good. Let's go on. It is thought to have eaten. Now, what is it that it ate? That bird-like creature, that dinosaur, it is thought to have eaten. Now, what end? It used its dash to get through their hard exterior. Listen, two answers in one sentence. What is it that it ate? And how? Which part of the body that dinosaur used to eat that? They use the word to get through their hard exterior. For example, if they say they use their sharp teeth to get through the hard exterior. So let's go back. First paragraph, after sheep, covered in feathers with a sharp beak that it probably used to crack open. So eaten shellfish. Now answer is coming before and after. Eaten shellfish, and which part of the body used to open that? Beak. Beak is the chonch. Right? So question number 29, eaten, answer is shellfish. And question number 30, answer is beak. So they can be a little before or after as well. Okay, next, the fossil of Tongtia long. You know Tongtia long? It's the biological name of one dinosaur, Tongtia long, okay? Tongtia long, Tangtia long, they are both cousins, okay? Just joking. And one more thing, don't try to read difficult words given in the passage. You say Tongtia long, not like that. Just read the first syllable and go on. Tong, okay, kasmanukai. And go on and just read the next thing. Okay, in passage there will be several difficult words. Don't try to read them all with the correct pronunciation. The fossil means the remaining parts of Tongtia long was found surrounded by. Now look here. Fossil was found surrounded by means fossil was covered in something. Covered in mud, covered in something. Surrounded by. Let's go back. Same paragraph. No. Tongtia long found it? Okay, I'm reading after shellfish. First paragraph, after shellfish. It was given the formal scientific name Tongtia long, but was called it mud dragon. Now, mud is not the answer. We have to see the fossil was covered with something. Because its skeleton was covered in rock. Answer is rock. And what is the word for fossil? Skeleton. Well done. Answer is rock. Found it? Is it okay? Yeah. Under the ground, where the foundations of a new, another word, were being dug. They were digging the foundation of a new building, house, hospital, and all that. Same paragraph, last three lines. Then its fossil remains were found a few months ago when workmen were excavating a site in order to build a school. So excavate means khudai karna. Excavating a site in order to build a. Now how do we understand new? When they were excavating a site, it means they were going to build something new. They were not demolishing any building. So answer is school. Well done. Some will write excavating if they don't know the meaning. Excavate means khudai karna. Huh? Yes. All right, very good. So the answer is? Answer is?